0 to a. First apply upper limit. X is a. X is a. A square by 2 a power 4 by 4, that is the upper limit value, minus of, substitute lower limit, 0 into something equal to 0, minus 0 into something equal 0. So simplify this one. LCM is 4. 2 times 2 into a power 4 minus a power 4. A power 4 by 4. That is the answer. First calculate integral value without limits. After that one, substitute first upper limit minus lower limit. X power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 minus x power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 from 0 to a, 0 to 1, x square by 1 plus x square dx, x square by 1 plus x square dx. So what is the difference between numerator and denominator? Only constant. So add and subtract that constant. 0 to 1, x square plus 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Split into two parts. X square plus 1 by 1 plus x square minus 1 plus x square dx. 1 plus x square cancel. 1 plus x square cancel. Integral of one value x. Integral 1 by 1 plus x square tan inverse x from 0 to 1. Integral of one value x. Integral of 1 by 1 plus x square tan inverse x. First apply upper limit. X value 1 minus tan inverse 1. 1 minus tan inverse 1 minus of, substitute x value 0, 0 minus 0. First apply upper limit minus of, apply lower limit. 1 minus tan 45 value 1. So tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. 1 plus x square dx. See, this is f of x. This is f dash x. Derivative of one value 0. Derivative of x square value 2x. F dash x by fx. Log mod fx. Apply that formula. Log mod 1 plus x square from 0 to 1. Integral f dash x by fx. Log mod fx. We apply that formula. First apply 1 log of 1 plus 1 minus log 1. Log 1 value always 0. Log 1 value always 0. So answer is log 2 minus 0 under root a square minus x square dx. A square minus x square dx. All of you listen. All of you listen. Without limits. Without limits. We know the formula. We know the formula. What is that one? X by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a from 0 to a. From 0 to a. Right now. Without limits, this is the formula. X by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a from 0 to a. First apply upper limit. First apply upper limit. A square minus a square 0 plus a square by 2 sin inverse a by a. This is the value of the upper limit. Value of the upper limit minus substitute x value 0. 0 into something equal to 0. Sin inverse 0. Sin inverse 0 equal to 0. Sin inverse 0 equal to 0. So finally we get a square by 2. A cancel. Sin inverse 1 value pi by 2. Sin inverse 1. Sin 90 value 1. So 90 equal to sin inverse 1. So answer is pi a square by 4. Pi a square by 4. The constant in a square form. Constant in the a square form. Integral 0 to 2 square minus x square dx. Apply same formula. X by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square value 4. A square value 4 by 2 sin inverse x by a value 2. X by 2 under root a square minus x square. A square by 2 sin inverse x by a. First apply upper limit. 0. 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 0. 2 into sin inverse 1 by 1. Sin inverse 1 by 2. Sorry. X value 2. 2 by 2. Sin inverse 2 by 2. Minus of. Substitute x value 0. 0 into something equal 0. Sin inverse 0 value 0. So 2 into sin inverse 1 value pi by 2 take 2 common, 1 plus cos theta d theta under root 2 into 2 cos square theta by 2, 2 cos square theta by 2, 2 into cos theta by 2, 2 into cos theta by 2, 2 into integral of cos sin theta by 2 by 1 by 2. What is this 1 by 2? What is this 1 by 2? 1 by 2 is the coefficient of x. This 2 is this one. Integral of cos x sin x by x coefficient is 1 by 2. So without limits, this is the problem. Without limits, you apply the limits 0 to pi, 0 to pi, 0 to pi. Take its reciprocal value 4. Apply upper limit sin of pi by 2 minus sin of 0 by 2 into sin 90 value 1, sin 90 value 1, sin 0 0, that equal to 4. Example 4, integral 0 to 4 modulus of 2 minus x dx. Remove the modulus symbol, we get plus or minus. All of you listen. In this problem given x value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In this problem given x value from 0 to 4, dx means x value from 0 to 4. Given function is 2 minus x. Given function is 2 minus x. All of you listen carefully. Put x value 0. We get plus 2 answer. When x value 1, plus 1. When x value 2, 0. When x value 3, minus 1. When x value 4, minus 2. Observe this one. From 0 to 2, all symbols are positive. Plus 0. From 2 to 4, minus. So we split this one, positive interval and a negative interval. From 0 to 2, positive interval. From 0 to 2, this is the positive interval, plus fx dx. From 2 to 4, all are negatives. 2 to 4, minus of 2 minus x dx. 0 to 2, this is the positive interval. When we remove the modulus symbol, take plus. From 2 to 4, all are negative values. Minus up to minus 2. So minus 2 minus x dx. Next, integration of 2 equal to 2x. Integration of x is x square by 2. Apply lower limit minus upper limit. That is the procedure. When we get where it is positive and where it is negative. First calculate that one. Given interval is this one. In this interval, 0 to 2, function is positive. 2 to 4, function is negative. In the plus interval, take plus symbol. In the negative interval, take minus symbol. First, calculate this problem. This is 0. Take the diagram in the rough. X value 0, x value 1, x value 2. Function is 1 minus x. When x value 0 plus 1, when x value 1, we get 0. When x value 2, we get minus 1. This is positive interval. This is a negative interval. Positive interval. Negative 0 to 2, 0 to 1, 0 to 1. This is the positive interval. Plus 1 minus x dx. From 1 to 2. From 1 to 2. All are negatives. Minus of 1 minus x dx. 0 to 1, 1 minus x dx, 1 minus x dx, 1 to 2, minus 1 plus x dx. Multiply with this minus. Integral of 1 value x minus x square by 2. Integral of 1 value x minus integral of x square by 2 from 0 to 1 plus integral of minus 1 minus x plus x square by 2 from 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Apply upper limit. 1 minus 1 by 2. 0 minus 0. This is upper limit value minus this is the lower limit value. Next, plus second problem, upper limit value minus 2 plus 4 by 2 minus 2 plus 4 by 2 plus 2 minus 2 cancel. Minus of lower limit value minus 1 plus 1 by 2. This is upper limit value minus this is the lower limit value. So 1 minus 1 by 2, 0, minus of minus 1, plus 1, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So answer is 1. Answer is 1. 2, 3, 4. Function 2 minus x. Function 2 minus x. When x value 0 plus 2 plus 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 x value 0 we get plus 2 x value 1 plus 1 x value 2 minus 2 0. Split into two parts. This is a positive interval, this is a negative interval. integral 0 to 2 plus 2 minus x dx plus integral 2 to 4 minus of 2 minus x dx 2 minus x dx integral of 2 value 2x minus x square by 2 from 0 to 2 minus 2 integral of minus 2 minus 2x minus into minus plus integral of x value x square by 2 from 2 to 4 first apply upper limit 2 into 2 4 minus 4 by 2 minus of when x value 0 both are zeros plus minus 8 x equal 4 16 by 2 8 plus 8 to minus 8 cancel plus 8 to minus 8 cancel minus of lower limit minus 4 plus 4 by 2 so 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 4 cancel plus 4 minus 4 cancel in the 1 by root x equal to 2 root x so 2 root 2x minus 1 by this is x quotient of x this is formula 2 root fx by 2 this 2 is the quotient of x 2 cancel first substitute upper limit 10 minus 1 minus of under root 2 minus 1 under root 9 value 3 minus 3 minus 1 into cos x. One is algebraic, one is the trigonometric. So we apply UV formula. Follow the Euler condition. No inverse function, no logarithmic function. There is algebraic function. This is U. This is V. Apply UV formula into integral V minus integral U dash integral V. So U value x integral of cos x equal to sin x integral of cos x equal to sin x derivative of x value 1 integral of cos x sin x dx from 0 to pi by 2 x sin x minus integral of sin x minus cos x minus or minus plus cos x from 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. First apply upper limit pi by 2. Sin 90 value 1. Sin 90 value 1. Cos 90 value 0. Cos 90 value 0. This is the upper limit value minus lower limit 0 into something equal to 0. Cos 0 value 1. Cos 0 value 1. So answer is pi by 2 minus 1. Integral of 1 by x square u into integral of v minus integral u dash integral of v integral of v dx integral of 1 by x square minus 1 by x minus integral derivative of log x 1 by x integral of 1 by x square minus 1 by x minus 1 by x dx from 1 to 2 minus 1 by x log x minus into minus plus 1 by x square integral of 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 1 by x by 1 value 1 1 by 1 equal to 1. So final answer is minus 1 by 2 log 2 minus 1 by 2